Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about urban forests. Do you know what is urban forest? Actually, urban forest is a forest that grow within a city, town or suburban area. It describes areas whose ecosystems are inherited from wilderness, leftover or remnant. The care and management of urban forests is called urban forestry. So, there are these few examples of urban forests in different countries. Urban forests are critical to the health and quality of our life within our cities. Unfortunately, they are constantly facing challenges such as urban expansion, invasive pests, changing climates, and underfunded management and maintenance. Unlike their counterparts in nature settings, urban forests exist and are maintained only through human interventions. So now let's talk about history of urban forests. The use of the phrase urban forest was coined in the 20th century, but researchers have found evidence of what is known today as urban forestry were in some of the world's oldest civilizations. The ancient Egyptians, Persians, Greeks, Chinese and Romans all cared for green spaces within the expanses of their prominent cities. They created gardens and groves around their place and worship. They planted trees around buildings. By 1500 BC, transplanting of trees in Egypt was commonplace. There are a very good example of urban forest which is in Johannesburg. Do you know that Johannesburg is one of the greenest cities in the world? It has been estimated that there are 6 million trees in the cities, 1.2 million on pavements and sidewalks, and a further 4.8 million in private gardens. The parks and the gardens in Johannesburg are maintained by Johannesburg City Parks and Zoo. American forests define urban forests as ecosystem of tree and other vegetation in and around community that may consist of street and yard trees. Vegetation within parks and along public rights of way and water system. Urban forests provide communities with environmental, economic, and social benefits and habitat for fish and wildlife. Thus, urban forests are not only about the trees in the city, but rather they are a critical part of the green infrastructure that make up the city ecosystem.